A warm welcome to all curious minds out there. Today we dive into a treasure trove of intriguing curiosities, each more fascinating than the last. From the peculiar to the profound, we've gathered a collection that promises to pique your curiosity and challenge what you thought you knew. Prepare to embark on a journey of discovery where the ordinary turns extraordinary and the known becomes unknown. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of the world around you? Stay tuned as we unravel the first curiosity. Dive right into the first curiosity. Imagine a world where every single snowflake is unique. Sounds like a fairy tale, doesn't it? But it's not. It's pure science. Each snowflake is made up of water molecules, and how these molecules arrange themselves is influenced by the temperature and humidity at the time of their formation. This results in an almost infinite number of possible arrangements. Hence, no two snowflakes are identical. They are as unique as fingerprints. Now let's take it a step further. Did you know that the world's largest recorded snowflake was a whopping 15 inches in diameter? It was observed over a century ago in Montana, United States. Just imagine, a snowflake bigger than a dinner plate. Quite fascinating, isn't it? Moving on to the next curiosity. Now let's explore the second curiosity. This curiosity brings us to the fascinating world of bioluminescence. Yes, nature's own light show. In the deep, dark depths of the ocean, where sunlight fails to penetrate, several marine creatures produce their own light. Surprisingly, they do this with the help of a chemical reaction within their bodies. Ever heard about the anglerfish? It's a deep-sea dweller that uses a glowing lure attached to its head to attract unsuspecting prey. Then there's the adorable but rare glass squid, which can become almost completely transparent to hide from predators and uses bioluminescence as a counter-illumination camouflage. Even on land, we have organisms like fireflies that use bioluminescence for communication. These natural light spectacles truly highlight nature's creativity and adaptability. Isn't it fascinating how these creatures have evolved to use light in such ingenious ways? Hope you found that intriguing. Let's move on to our next curiosity. On to our third curiosity. It's time to unveil a mystery that has been baffling the curious minds for centuries. Let's dive into the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. This infamous patch of the Atlantic Ocean, roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been a hotbed for unexplained disappearances. But what's the real story? Legends tell of magnetic anomalies messing with compass readings or even portals to another dimension. However, the Worldwide Fund for Nature lists it as a marine area with no particular danger. So, what's the truth? Scientifically, weather abnormalities, human error, and even methane hydrates have been suggested as explanations. But none of these completely solve the riddle. The Bermuda Triangle remains a curiosity, a mystery that continues to intrigue us, challenging our understanding of the world. That was something, wasn't it? Now, on to our fourth curiosity. Let's delve into our fourth curiosity. Now, here's something that might take you by surprise. This curiosity will make you rethink what you thought you knew. It's a common misconception that we've all held at some point. But as it turns out, the truth is far more fascinating than the myth. It's these little-known details that add an extra layer of intrigue to our everyday world. They challenge our preconceived notions and prompt us to question what we take for granted. It's a reminder that there's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to understand. So next time when you're going about your day, take a moment to appreciate the hidden wonders around you. You never know what surprising fact you might stumble upon. Intriguing, right? Let's move on to our fifth curiosity. Now, for our fifth curiosity. Have you ever wondered why we blink? It's not just about keeping our eyes moist or protecting them from dust. Blinking actually serves as a tiny mental break. Every time we blink, our brain enters into a momentary state of wakeful rest, allowing us to refocus and gather our thoughts. Think about it. When you're reading a captivating book or watching an enthralling movie, you blink less frequently. That's because your brain is fully engaged, leaving little room for those mini breaks. On the other hand, when you're tired or bored, your blink rate increases. In fact, scientists have discovered that the average person blinks about 15 to 20 times per minute. That's around 1,200 blinks per hour, and nearly 29,000 blinks in a day. Just imagine all those tiny breaks we take without even realizing it. Hope you're still with us. Now, let's explore our sixth curiosity. Let's unravel our sixth curiosity. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? Yes, you heard right, 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts work exclusively to move blood beyond the animal's gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing for the organs. The third heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, explaining the species' penchant for crawling rather than swimming, which exhausts them. This peculiar fact is backed by multiple marine biologists and researchers across the globe. For instance, the Marine Biological Laboratory in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, and the Seattle Aquarium both confirm this amazing fact about the octopus. Moreover, octopuses have blue blood. They utilize copper-based hemocyanin for oxygen transport, which gives their blood a blue color, a stark contrast to our iron-based red blood. Quite fascinating, isn't it? Let's move on to our final curiosity. Finally, let's explore our 7th and final curiosity. We're diving deep into the world of quantum physics, a realm where the normal rules of science take a back seat. Here, particles can exist in 2 places at the same time, teleport, and even influence each other's behavior from across the universe. This phenomenon, known as quantum entanglement, defies our everyday logic. Imagine throwing a pair of dice. In our world, the outcome of one die doesn't affect the other. But in the quantum realm, the dice are entangled. If one shows a 6, the other instantly shows a 6 too, regardless of the distance between them. This isn't just theoretical. Quantum entanglement has been proven in numerous experiments. It's a cornerstone of quantum computing, a technology that could revolutionize our world in ways we can barely imagine. Hope you found that intriguing. Now let's wrap it up. Well, those were some fascinating curiosities, weren't they? I hope you enjoyed our journey through these intriguing facts. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and share this with others who love learning. Thank you for your time, and remember, stay curious.